So guys, boring ako dito. Wala akong magawa. So boring guys. On ko muna yung ilaw kasi hindi ako makita. Yeah. So, down just walk. Down just walk. Down just walk. That pushy walk. Mali. Down just walk. Down just walk. Down just walk. And then that pushy walk. Clap pushy walk. Clap pushy walk. Clap pushy walk. And then dance it on the dinner. Cinnamon shock. Next. Okay. Boom, boom, shake, shake and duck, feel the duck, shake, move, move, shake, shake and duck, move, shake, shake. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go, see the boom. Ay, mali. Here we go, and here we go, and here we go, hands on the city go, and then sitting under that boom, boom, here we go, friends and here we go, chick up at the picture, boom, boom, she told it about chick up at the vision, it's a bit of a boom, boom, and she live in a boom, boom. It's like this. The jolly is a mini, my name on the and then just running, wine. It hurts to be gathered one. Shawty is a mini, my name on lover. Shawty is a mini, my name on lover. Oh, let me show you Mazen. So guys, yeah, I'll sweat there school. Yeah, I'm so sweaty. So dapat ang nito on this one. So good guys, umiyak ako. Labas tayo guys. Bili tayo ng cookie. So guys, bili muna ako ng coke. Wait lang. Wait lang guys, bili muna ako ng coke. So guys, nakabili na ako guys. See guys, ang liwanag dito, tapos kung pumasok ka na parang gabi na eh. Pero ano pa lang guys, so ano to? 3:38. So, kanina guys, manhid tong dito ko banda, tapos pa dito, hanggang dito guys. Pero nawala na ngayon. Pero malay ko kay mama guys, kasi nagpapunot kasi kanya. So, umiyak ako kanina guys, kasi injection B. Di pa ako natatakot magpabonus ng ngipon. Sa injection na po ako natatakot. So guys, ipapasta na pala tong ngipin ko nito. Ano kung how much. Pero papasta daw. Sabi ni Tita Doc. Sabi niya, tawagin ko daw siya Tita Doc. Siya yung nag-pour sige ng ice cream to ni mama. Yeah, nakadalawang ice cream, naka-Friday video guys. Isang pinipig at isang 7-Eleven na ice cream, yung chocolate tapos vanilla. Ang galing pumauto ni Doc, yung nagbunot ng ngipin. Sabi niya, tingnan daw niya muna, tapos boom, bigla niyang nablot yung ngipin ko. Kaya naiyak po. Kasi first time po ito. Tapos permanent po siya. So, hello pustiso in the future. Sure, hindi mo na kailangan mag-pustiso kasi Idol ka naman makakain dito. Dito. Tas, may bago pa akong, wisdom tip dito. Ang ahat. Happy being married to my papi. We. Tingnan ko guys kung maka-feel na siya. Finally naka-feel na siya. Kanina hindi niya talaga ma-feel. Bye guys. Makapanis din ako ni mama ka.